Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious green salsa with tomatillos. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of tomatillos, 1 jalapeno, half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh cilantro, and a lime. Begin by removing the papery husks from your tomatillos and giving them a good rinse. This ensures they are clean and ready for the next step in our recipe. Now, let's roast our vegetables to bring out their best flavor. Place the husked tomatillos, jalapeno, onion, and garlic cloves on a baking sheet. Roast them in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are nicely softened and slightly charred. Once roasted, carefully transfer all these delicious vegetables into your blender. With your roasted vegetables in the blender, add about 1/4 cup of water and the fresh juice of 1 lime. Blend everything until it reaches your preferred consistency. Some like it smooth, while others enjoy a chunkier texture. Finally, season your salsa with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to taste for that perfect balance. Your fresh, vibrant green salsa is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect with tortilla chips, tacos, or as a zesty topping for any of your favorite Mexican dishes. For best results, serve it slightly chilled. Any leftover salsa can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.